Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Idea Primer YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you two ways to create your own op art drawing. Op art is an art style that uses optical illusions to create a trick of the eye. To create an op art drawing, you need to know how to create value in a drawing. Value in art is how light or dark something is. You create dark values by pressing really hard with your pencil, and light values by pressing lightly. To start the standard op art drawing, draw a wavy line with black marker across the center of your paper. Next, you're going to create cloud curves. I call them cloud curves because it's the same shape you make when you're drawing a cloud. Next, you're going to keep making these lines that work your way up your paper, always connecting your cloud curves back to those same initial points that you made the first time. Continue this until you go off the edge of the page. Then you're simply starting over on the bottom, going the other direction, always going back to those same cloud curve points so that each shape looks connected. When you are all done creating these lines, you can set that marker aside and start shading with colored pencil. Remember that we are trying to create an op art optical illusion by making it look like each stripe is popping off the page or making it look like our drawing is 3D. The way that you do this is by creating dark values on the edge of each shape and then pressing lighter as you get towards the center to make it look like it's lighter in the middle. This creates the illusion that each stripe is curved and is popping forward towards you. If you would like the coloring part of this to go a little bit faster, try using similar colors within each stripe, meaning colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. The reason for this is that you can overlap them and they will blend together nicely. If you have done a similar project to this before and you'd like to try something a little more difficult, or if you just feel like you could level this up, try doing a name drawing for your op art design. Start with your name in giant bubble letters that overlap. Next, we're going to create cloud curves just like in the first drawing we did, but this time they're connecting to where your name shape already indents. So that may be where one letter ends and the other letter begins. And then you just continue working your way around the paper, connecting to those same initial cloud curve spots as you go around. This will look like each letter is its own shape popping up off the page. Here's what that looks like with a longer name, because with more letters, you're going to have more of these cloud curves connecting, and it does turn out a little bit different. When you are ready to color your name design, remember to create really dark values at the outside of each shape and light values on the inside so that it makes it look like each of these letters is popping forward and like your entire drawing is 3D. Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far in the video, please make sure to leave a like and to follow me for more art project videos.